Hi friends, welcome back to this videos. As you know, our YouTube channel always provide you our new upcoming smartphones news content. So in these videos, we are going to share a new upcoming smartphone of the Vivo brand. The name is Vivo R1 Pro 2024 5G. Those who use mobile phone in life, that person must know the Vivo's most popular and favorite mobile company in the world, and also known that Vivo is Chinese technology company. Every year, the Vivo company provides some big flagship mobiles, middle class phones, and low budget high performance phones. So, customers are waiting for the new upcoming of the Vivo brand. Today, we are trying to serially describe the Vivo R1 Pro 2024 release date, full specifications, and price. So stay with us and continue watching these videos. First of all, we are talking about the displays. The Vivo upcoming smartphone R1 Pro 2024 comes with a 7-inch Super AMOLED full touchscreen display, which is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. The good news for the Vivo R1 Pro 2024 mobile lovers, this mobile uses display resolution of 1440 multiplied by 3200 pixels. In the display section, this mobile also used always on display, which is very helpful for an active users. After briefly describing the display, now we are going to share another very important part of this special phone. The name is camera. On the camera section, Vivo added a quite 200 megapixels primary lens plus 32 megapixels ultra wide lens plus 16 megapixels, a wide sensors plus 5 megapixels depth sensor as the back cameras. Now we are going to discuss about the front selfie camera. 64 megapixels selfie front cameras. Regular camera features like Z's, optic, LED flash, Pronma and HDR are added. Now you can easily pick up pictures, make our videos by using front selfie cameras and back cameras. After briefly describe the cameras, now we are going to discuss another very important part of the battery. The battery is very important part of a good smartphone. So the Vivo R1 Pro 2024 used a 6000 mAh lithium type non-removable battery for its long time service. After charging one time, you don't need a charge at least 36 hours. The fast battery charging is a common special features for a flagship device. So this phone includes 45 quick battery charging features. Nowadays, when a customer wants to buy a new smartphone, they are first checking the memory capacity of the phone. The memory means RAM, ROM, internal storage, and an micro SD card. The Vivo upcoming smartphones 2024 comes with two variants, 8 GB RAMs plus three variants, 8 GB RAMs, 12 GB RAMs plus 16 GB RAMs, and two variants, 128 GB and 256 GB ROM. Customer can easily exacerbate internal storage by using micro SD card up to 1 TB. On the operating system, this smartphone added Android 14. The powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform make this smartphone very fast. The Vivo smartphone use GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, 5G as the network technology. The sensor is an important part of a good smartphone. So Vivo's upcoming mobile uses the latest sensor technology and their name is fingerprint under displays. After briefly describing the specifications, now we are going to share another very important part of the Vivo R1 Pro 2024 release date. After knowing the viral news of the flagship Vivo flagship smartphone, every person who loves the Vivo mobile, they are searching for the exact release date of the Vivo R1 Pro 2024. But we are sorry to inform you that there is no official release date available for this smartphone. The accepted release date of the Vivo R1 Pro 2024 is 6 August 2024, or it may be late to release for features or updates or company issues. After briefly describing the release date, now we are going to share another very important key points of the price. Vivo R1 Pro 2024 price will be started from 369 USD dollar to 340 euros. So dear friends, what's your opinion about these smartphones? Do tell us in the comment sections. I hope you have completely understand the price, space, features, design concept, rumors, review, pre-orders, by online release date and news content. If you have any further more questions about this smartphone, so do tell us in the comment sections. I want to see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching.